The winner of Manufacturing Business of the Year award is PWIDF Fire Door Solutions, Premier Forest.
I'm Dave Timson from PWIDF Fire Door Solutions, part of the Premier Forest Group, and we won the Manufacturing Business of the Year award. Really pleased, really proud of everybody in our team. It's a manufacturing award, there's a big team within that business, and yeah, just really proud for all the team really to be able to win this award. We're on a real journey as a business. We've just taken on an extra 30% footprint, just invested in new machinery, new people and new systems, and yeah, just looking for growth over the next 12 months. Yeah, it's been a fabulous night. It's been really good to join you all in the first Newport Business Awards.